Our next unit in computing to learn to code is about Python. Okay, Python is just like Scratch, but it is text-based. So it doesn't have the blocks that you can drag in. You actually have to type it yourself. Okay, so we're going to be learning Python. So to download Python, you click on the link and you download it there. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you can open it up. Okay, and this is the shell. Okay, this is the shell. We're going to open a new file. Okay, and this window here is where we're going to type our code, and then it will output here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is say hello world, which is normally the first thing you do when you're learning to code. So I'm going to type in print hello world. Okay, and then no, I typed it in the wrong box. That goes over here into the code spot. Print hello world. Okay, so before running your code, you have to save it. So you go to File and Save. I'm going to call it version 1. So now that I've saved it, I can run the code. So to run the code, you can click Run here, Run Module, or you can press F5. Okay, so let's press F5, shortcut. And as you can see, it printed hello world. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to print I am learning how to write code in Python. Okay, so print in quotation marks, I am learning how to write code in Python. Okay, so save, you can also press Control S to save, and F5 to run. You can see, hello world, I'm learning how to write code in Python. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is learn how to repeat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print save your code before you run it. Okay. So to do a repeat for I in range, repeat it 5 times. Okay. Print save your code before you run it. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to run it. Control S, F5, and there it's printed out 5 times. Okay, now let's see if we can get that to print out 10 times instead of 5. So back, change that to 10, Control S, F5, and it's done 10 times. Okay, so that's today's lesson. There are also some other challenges for you to do. Can you print your name? Can you print your name 3 times using the repeat? Okay, good luck.